Flow sensors are used in many different branches of industry. The flow of the cleaning agent is checked in CIP systems during the cleaning process to achieve optimal results. In the food and beverage industry, monitoring of flow rates supplies important data to production. And an eye must be kept on the flow rates in cooling circuits or in water demineralization plants. The requirements for the measuring task therefore vary greatly. The liquids can be hot, aggressive, or oily. Many of the liquids conduct electricity, some do not. Applications with tight installation spaces pose another challenge. It often seems like there is simply no space to install a flow sensor. Here is the solution. ZIC has developed a new flow sensor, the DOSIC. It can be used in nearly any industry with nearly any type of liquid and even in confined spaces. You can see the difference when it is delivered. Compared to conventional flow sensors, the DOSIC is characterized by its light, compact design. Despite its high-quality stainless steel housing, the sensor only weighs 2 to 3 kilograms and can be installed very easily without great physical effort. Thanks to the short installation lengths and inlet zones, the DOSIC is also perfectly suited for installation in confined spaces. The simple commissioning of the DOSIC saves time and money. Adjustment to the medium to be measured is not necessary, which is a huge advantage compared to other ultrasonic sensors. The sensor is automatically calibrated. Simply connect it and get started. No matter if the liquid is demineralized water, oil, or another aggressive medium, thanks to the sophisticated ultrasonic technology, the DOSIC detects nearly any medium. Temperature monitoring is necessary for many applications, such as for SIP cleaning, to ensure that the system remains sterile. The DOSIC reports when the specified temperature has been reached. The integrated display can switch between the flow and the temperature. The DOSIC is food safe thanks to the rust-free stainless steel housing and the hygienic construction, which prevents deposits. The straight self-draining measurement tube without moving parts makes the cleaning process very easy. The DOSIC is EHEDGE certified and FDA compliant. The IO-Link 1.1 communication with configurable switching points enables easy adjustment to the measuring task. The sensor can be configured and important information such as the temperature, flow rate, or speed of sound can be read out. This guarantees optimal monitoring of the medium. Are you curious? Then visit us at www.zic.com/DOSIC.